So for today, we are going to make the best juice for removing mucus in our body. Hey guys, so we are finally juicing. We are all set. So the preparation process took a little bit time, but we are now here. Oranges, carrots, lime, and lemon, celery, and pineapples. Wanna give you guys a closer look how it goes. First juice batch. guys, so this is the amount of fiber that I got from juicing, and this is going to my composts. So now I'm going to try it and I'm gonna show you. It feels really good because I need some juice in my life. For real, you know why? You know why I love juice? Because I feel like juice is just like coffee. It's something that when I drink, I feel like it goes directly to my bloodstreams. That's why I like juicing. And it has been proven that that's what the juice do. So guys, start juicing today. So this juice contains pineapples, ginger, limes, lemon, celery, and I think that's about it. So this is a very mucus eliminating juice because this is filled with pineapples. That's gonna help the bloodstream filter the waste out, and packed with ginger. It's very good, guys. Start juicing today. Alright guys, let me know what you think of this recipe, and please subscribe and like this video. And I want to know how you guys think about this recipe, and let's talk in the comment section below. Bye. I'm going to pour myself a cup of juice, and keep drinking your juice. Get that good energy inside your bodies. It's really, your body is gonna thank you. Your body is gonna be like, thank you for giving me this life and for taking care of me. You know what I'm saying?